guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? So in today's video, guys, I am going to you guys remember how we had a lawnmower that wasn't working, so we got a new one. It's right here. So yeah, we got a new lawnmower, and it's electric. It's like an electric car, and right now I'm going to do a review on it. It's called Ego. Huh? So this is the way it looks. Now this is the way you take it out of the box. Two people need to carry it because it's kind of heavy. But you take it out of the box, it comes like this, it comes folded, and then right here, you press this handle, and then it unfolds. And it comes with the bag for the grass. It comes with this one too. Wait a second. Yeah, this is gonna help you, like you put it here and the grass is gonna come out this way. And this one is for when you don't want to use it and just store it, and you put this. So you adjust the handles. You go like this. Oops, sorry. And then you lock it in place. And if you guys want to bring it down, you press it and it goes down, like to wherever you want. It adjusts. And then you put it that way and it's gonna fold. So for my preference, this is perfect. This is perfect because I'm not that high. So now to start it, you put this bag in here so it's going to catch the grass. So you lift the handle. I already used it once, but I didn't have time to do the review. So you put it there and voila. Okay, now to turn it on. So this is the battery. It goes in here. You take it off. You charge it. It charges in 1 hour completely. And then you put it in here. You gotta hear the click. There, it's there. So to turn it on, you press this. It's gonna go green. You close it. Okay, Mateo, move. This is to adjust the height. This is so cool. You put the lever and then it goes down.
Oh.
Or it goes up.
Like a car?
Okay. Yeah.
Keep pushing it up.
Oh, okay. See how it's rising? You see it? So I want my grass to be low, like to be short, and I'm gonna put it on 2. Yeah, I guess on number 2. Okay, now we're gonna turn it on. This battery should last you for about I would say 45 minutes, supposedly. It depends on how much you're gonna cut, or yeah, I think how much you're gonna cut. So it's gotta be all the way over here. Start. You press this. Ah! Woo! Let me do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. Come here. And now to go, you press this. This is the lever to go. What the heck? And then watch. This is the speed. Here. It gives you how fast you want to go or low. If you go this way, it's gonna go slower. Other one is super fast, and it doesn't make a lot of noise. I love it. Can I do it? Yeah. Okay, turn around. Let me do it now. Grab the handle, and this is the button. And guys, this is self-propelled. It's gonna help you push. This is right here. It's gonna help you push. Like go by itself. It's very, very smooth, and I just love it. It's the best investment we've ever made. Okay, now let go of the handle. Let go of the handle.
Which one? Oh, this.
Okay, so now let's start again. You press the green button, and then you. That's it. That's scary.
No, it isn't. The other one was scarier.
Okay, let go of the green one. Remember, cuando vas a llegar allá. You should just. So, checking back in. It's 8 o'clock at night. As you can see, it's very bright outside still. So, I first did this part of the yard. That's our backyard. And then we have a lot next to it, and it's humongous, as you can see in the video. So, I started mowing the grass, or I don't even know what is the right word. I would say cutting the grass at 7:20, and it's now 8 o'clock exactly. So I would totally recommend this machine to you guys, especially because I'm a woman and I always cut the grass. Well, I try to help my husband do as many chores as I can because I am stay-at-home mom, and he's a very hard-working man, and he's always tired. He works the night shift, so he's always sleepy and tired. But as I said, I will give this machine a 10 out of a 10. This machine is thebomb.com, you guys. I freaking love it. And what else can I say? I am not tired at all. With my old lawnmower, I will finish exhausted. Michino. I will finish exhausted, and with this one, it runs by itself, so I just have to be walking behind it so it won't crash. But yeah, guys, give it a shot. I totally recommend it. My battery says it's still on green because it's gonna tell you when it's green. It's right here. It'll tell you when the battery, if this is green, of course you have a lot of battery. If it's red, it's almost time to charge it. But mine is still green. It's not going nowhere. And it took me what, 7:20? Took me 40 minutes to do my yard. Well, as you can see, saw this right here, the back, all this part back here, and then the front. We have that front, and then the house front. So as you can see, guys, it's totally worth it. I'm gonna give it a clean right now. I'm gonna clean it, and guys, look at this. Isn't this cool? It has lights on it. I cannot wait to cut the grass at night. JK, I'm not gonna cut the grass at night. Well, I could, because honestly it's not that noisy, but excuse me, I'm sick, guys, remember? Oh, so look, the light is green, you guys, so it's not even, it's what can I say? See, the light turns on when I turn on the, did you see that? I was gonna turn off. There you go. So that means the battery is not it's not running, so it won't go low. Yes, guys, I totally recommend this Ego lawnmower. It's 21-inch self-propelled. Right here you change the height right here, if you pressed it, it's gonna fold this way. That's the way it came in the box. It was folded. You just took it out. That is it. You just put the battery to charge for 1 hour. And I cut the grass the day after I bought it because it was too late already. And I cut this back part, and I haven't charged it since then. I haven't charged the battery since then. And today, as you can see, I did all this grass and it's still going green, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna last pretty good. So guys, please, if you're struggling with your lawnmower, I totally recommend you to get this one because it's electric. You're not contaminating, it's not noisy, you don't have to do oil change, you don't have to do anything to it. Just be ready and to cut the grass and go. I honestly don't know what that 56V, I guess it's 56 volts. I totally recommend it if you want to buy it. If you're looking for one, I mean, it's a little bit pricey, but guys, it is really worth it. Really, really worth it. I totally recommend you guys to buy it. I've said it all this video. I think I recommend it. Out of a 10, I will give this lawnmower a 20 because I am loving it. Nobody has to help me cut the grass. I want to cut the grass every day. So yes, guys, look, this is the way it folds. You put it. Well, I have to put these. I have to put these adjustable handles down so it could fold. It clicks. Okay, now you press the handle and it's gonna go forward, and that's the way you're gonna store it. Sorry, guys. That's the way you store it. I still gotta take this grass out. Sorry, guys. Bad angle here. Oh, it doesn't even have a lot. Okay. So this is all I got from the front. I think that's all I got from the front. I don't even know. So I got 1 and almost a half of grass of 2 bags. Hold on, let me turn the camera. And then I have so yes, guys, I am going to give it a clean because I am going to take care of this machine as if it was, I don't know what, because I'm in love with it and I want it to last forever and ever. So if you guys want to not struggle cutting the grass and more like me, that I have a big backyard, so yes, guys, give it a go because it's the best thing. Sorry, dirty hands. It's the best thing you can invest in. So I think there's 2 types of batteries. There's one that gives you more time, but we got this one. It came with it. If you want the other one, I guess you can buy it. We bought this one at Home Depot, and it was originally $550 and it had $50 off. So we got this one because it's self-propelled. It, like I'm saying, you don't have to struggle to push it. So this one, the speed, guys, is amazing. If I put it to the full, I have to run. It's a good exercise. So yeah, whenever you fold it, it's so easy and convenient for storing because it's so small. It's not that heavy, and I just take it in by myself and take it out by myself. I don't need anybody's help. Guys, I also forgot to tell you, it has its own charger. It comes with its charger and it looks like this. So you just plug it. It looks like this, you guys. So you just plug it and it goes in here, and the light, it'll charge. And it's gonna tell you when it's full or how low it is. So yeah, easy peasy, you guys. So yes, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video right here, and like I said, I really recommend this product. If you like my review on the Ego, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, share it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll keep you guys posted on future videos with makeup, vlogs, reviews, anything. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.